Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of being constantly bombarded with messages on Messenger? Do you want to be able to use the app without your friends or colleagues knowing when you're online? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to hide your active status in Messenger. This is a great feature that can help you take control of your messaging experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. To hide your active status in Messenger, open the app and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. Tap on the gear icon next to your username. Next, tap on the gear icon next to your username. This will take you to the settings menu. Step 3. Find active status as the second option and tap on it. Usually you'll find active status as the second option in the settings menu. Tap on it to access the active status settings. Step 4. Tap on Show when you're active. In the active status settings, you'll see an option for Show when you're active. Tap on this to turn off your active status. Step 5. Specify the duration or tap on Until I change it. Optional. You can choose to specify a duration for how long you want to hide your active status, or you can choose Until I change it to keep it hidden indefinitely. Hiding your active status in Messenger is a great way to take control of your messaging experience and use the app on your own terms. Remember that turning off your active status means that you won't be able to see when your friends are online either. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.